someone wanting to invest some money and to make some profits on this money, Yieldnodes is an ideal platform for you to do so because it provides a 5 to 15% pure profit on your investment, and it's paid out monthly. The minimum deposit is 500 euros and the maximum deposit is 250,000 euros. You receive your payout monthly, and cancellation at any time after 6 months. You can pay out the interest made on a monthly basis, but the full amount you can only withdraw after 6 months. Thereafter, you can withdraw as you please. Deposit and interest is paid out in euros, USD, or Bitcoin. The payments accepted is bank wire, Visa, Master, and Bitcoin. It is not a mining platform, and with more and more mines competing and ever increasing technology, investment is required. So master noding is a master node in a node server in a network. They process transactions and store them in a blockchain. This brings high rewards. Master noding is not trading. Loss of capital is highly unlikely. Servers are rented and contracts can be cancelled. Fluctuations in coin prices affect the market, and master node earnings are always in coins. The team monitors the master node constantly 24/7 and able to react to any possible impact. These are the CEOs and people that are visible within the team on LinkedIn, available on LinkedIn to be able to talk to, but they are transparent, and this is what Yieldnodes is about. Looking at what you can make, taking a 10%, for instance, per month. If you start off with 500 euros, which is about 8,792 Rand in South African Rand, this will mean that in month 1, you will put this in, and at 10%, you will be earning this on your interest. After 6 months, your 8,000 will be 15,000. And after 12 months, 27,593. With a compound interest on a monthly basis. This meaning you do not draw any of the earnings, you do not withdraw any of the interest amounts, but you compound it monthly for 12 months. You can, for instance, take this on 30,000, and you will see that in the 12th month of 30,000 will be 94,000. If you take 4 years, and for instance, you take 100,000, in year 2, it will be 313,000. In year 3, it will be 984,000, and in year 4, 3 million, and therefore giving you 9,701,722 from 100,000. This is in 4 years. But ideally, what you can also do is you are able to withdraw a certain amount of the interest on a monthly basis. Say, for instance, you compound 75% back into the amount, and you withdraw 25% and use this as, extra money or expenses, what you'd like to use it for. But you don't have to put the full amount of 100% compound back into the system. This has been taken on 100% back into the system, allowing you a great turnover in 4 years. This corresponds to an annual return of 132%, and for participants who took advantage of the monthly compounding option, a gigantic 249.85%, and this yield was achieved despite the global economic crisis caused by COVID-19, as you can see. There was even a time when it actually reached 19%. And remember, we've taken our calculations on 10%, but you can actually see how many times it's actually gone over the 10% mark. So here's an example of a first-time investment made of 800 euros. In 1.5 months, a total profit of 109 euros was made, and in 2 months, 200 euros will be reached. Calculating this to a Rand value, 3,400 for 2 months. Not bad. So how do you get started? You decide on the amount you would like to invest in. You download your Luna wallet and set it up with your bank card. I'll send you a Yieldnode registration link, which you will then fill in your personal information and KYC. I will send you the link. Log into the Yieldnodes and select your pack you are purchasing. You deposit the amount and select payment, and you copy the address. The payment address is used in Luna to fund your Yieldnode account. You are then registered and ready to start earning. If you are interested in this opportunity, fill in the form and we'll get back to you with the registration link so that you can get started.